What's going on, space traders? Just want to sneak in a quick video for you guys right now since David is out of town. So I want to talk to you guys about Sunworks and give you the inside scoop right now on what's been going on with Sunworks and why right now is a great time to jump in, especially if you want to swing in on Sunworks. So let me just get to the chart real quick so you guys can see where we're standing here. So Sunworks is currently closed on the weekend at $15.94. And if you've been following my advice on solar and energy, if you jumped in on this way back when I referred to it into December, you would have gotten in at just under $4, way down over here. And you should have been able to ride the profits all the way to the moon, at least 5x on this. But more importantly is what's been going on just over in the last week, because we've seen it come down from its high of about $24 all the way down to 15. Now, the first thing that happened was the Q4 report just recently came out, and it talked about even though the revenue for Q4 2020 was higher than Q3 2020, the concern was the amount of loss that was taking place. It was a little bit over $5 million in losses. But the thing is I think there's an overreaction to that, because 3.5 of that $5 million loss was based on one-time purchases, single purchases. So it's not a problem of the company. It's part of their ramp up for acquisition. So that loss is not something that's recurring that they have to worry about. In addition, the company has been able to pay off a tremendous amount of debt. So right now they're sitting at about $40 million in cash, and they're in prime position for acquisition. Now, the other reason for the loss that we saw in both Sunworks and SunPower and basically every solar stock was the fact that we had, these huge winter storms that's basically blanketed half of America. So part of that reaction to solar has been the reason for driving the numbers down, especially with some of these politicians mistakenly blaming solar and wind energy for the reason why the electrical grid has failed. But we know that's not true. Nonetheless, their comments on it has made investors a little bit bearish. But if you take a look at the chart and you see how the stock has performed, and let's just go over how it's looked in the last month, you'll see that it's basically at its floor. Its floor right now, you can see here, if I draw the line here, is at about $16. And that's where it's sitting at, right? And you can see where it was maybe about around February 2nd, February 3rd. And you can see where it's sitting at now. So it's a great time to jump in on it, because I think at a minimum, coming back to $23, $24, you're looking at a 50% value. You're looking at a 50% profit, and it's a perfect swing stock. So you can see how that swing opportunity has been around before, and I'm fairly confident we're gonna have this chance again, because for all the reasons why the stock went down, none of it is permanent. And if you look at the RSI, RSI is low, the MACD is also low on this. So all indicators are that this is still a wonderful stock to jump in on, especially with the volume still high on it. So just want to give you guys a quick tip, show you guys where the opportunity is. If you're looking to make a quick buck in this next month, about 50% of your money, you can jump in on Sunworks and ride it all the way up to about 23, 24 before you sell off. Or if you like it long-term, which I do like it long-term, I still have a position on this long-term, you can take this up even further. I think this has room to grow to $30, $40 a share by the summer. But if you want something quick to get in and get out, this is a really good opportunity considering where the number is at. Anyways, just wanted to give you that quick update. I know David's out of town. He can't respond to this, but SunPower, even if he did, he would have to lie, because the news for SunPower isn't as awesome as Sunworks. Not saying SunPower is bad, just Sunworks is a lot better. To the moon and beyond. We'll see you guys soon. Have a good weekend, guys.